Good morning, students. Uh, in the last video, we discussed about schematic diagram of positive crankcase ventilation, and now in this video, we will discuss about PCO wall. We have PCO wall. So this is the diagram we have here. So this is the diagram PCO wall of this is the diagram, and this is the diagram. Here, the PCO wall consists of spring-loaded tapered wall. Spring-loaded tapered wall. So this is the spring-loaded tapered wall. This one is the spring-loaded tapered wall, and the wall is closed position under the action of crankcase pressure and manifold vacuum. So whenever there is a crankcase pressure, and the manifold vacuum, at that time what happens? Spring wall is in a closed position. Here you may observe the opening. Here opening, this will be closed during the crankcase pressure and vacuum uh, manifold vacuum, whereas uh, manifold vacuum, and as the spring pressure keeps the wall open, thereby regulate the flow of blow by gases. During the ideal deceleration, the amount of flow by gas is less due to lesser engine load and small PCV wall. The opening is needed to move blow by gases out of crankcase. The high intake manifold vacuum moves uh, the tapered wall against the spring pressure, thus provides small opening in the wall for the flow of blow by gases during the part throttling. So here you may observe, this is what it is opening. So this is open as per the amount of blow by gases, whatever the gases it is there in the crankcase. So if it is more flow is there, that time what happens, this wall is open more, so more amount of gas will be wall flow through the wall. Engine load is for here only it is given, engine load is higher than the ideal, blow by increases and the vacuum manifold and the manifold vacuum decreases. So whatever the pressure which is developed by the manifold vacuum, which is increases when the blow by gases is more less, so that time what happens, it gives only small opening for the passing of blow by gases, and spring moves the tapered wall, increases the opening, the this is the opening. Right, next. For example, now the this opening is larger, so which allows the entire blow by gases to enter into the intake manifold at high speed, or when engine is operating under heavy load. The throttle valve opens widely and decreases intake manifold vacuum. So intake manifold vacuum, whatever it is created here, which will be get decreases, so that what happens, valve will be open during the engine load is more. Okay, that time what happens, engine, that time, so this valve is open more, so blow by gases will be escape from the crankcase towards the atmosphere. So during the heavy load it means. Okay, so the amount of blow gases is more, definitely during the high engine load, when the load is high in the engine, at that time what happens, so this pressure on the PCV valve will be more, instead of valve pressure which is exerted by the intake manifold. So that time what happens, valve will be opens more, and more amount of gases uh, will be escape from the crankcase towards the atmosphere. So this is what it is, PCV valve. So how it operates, for removing the removing the pollutants or blow by gases from the crankcase. Otherwise, in the last video only we discussed about, so how the blow by gases will be creates problem inside the crankcase. So that can be avoided by using this valve, that is PCV